Another form of insidious narcissistic abuse is legal abuse, which also correlates with financial abuse. Those of you that had to divorce a narcissist or share children with a narcissist, you know perfectly well what I'm talking about. And you also know that the family court system isn't set up to deal with narcissistic abusive exes and child custody. They will force you to hire attorneys, spend lots of money, and the effort is to cripple you financially and to destroy you because the narcissist is injured because you probably left them and divorced them. So they're injured. And when a narcissist is injured, they are very dangerous. If they have access to money, they're very dangerous because they enjoy using the legal system to perpetuate abuse against you. And unfortunately, you can't go into court and say, Judge, they're a narcissist. You have to throw this whole thing out. It doesn't work that way. And it also isn't just in family court. We have a raging sociopath on this app right now posing as an advocate, using the legal system to perpetuate abuse against their victims. They filed a federal lawsuit because then there's no anti-SLAPP in a federal lawsuit. And why did they do this? They simply did it because they were questioned and they're injured. And obviously they had access to money to do it. And all that they're doing is trying to hurt and punish and smear the people that question them. And the crazy part is they claim to be a domestic violence advocate. And all that they talk about is suing, reporting to the FBI, stalking people, harassing people. And who are these people they're stalking and harassing? They're DV survivors. But this person calls himself an advocate. And they're taking DV survivors to federal court, trying to cripple them financially and abuse them and smear them. It happens. And there really isn't a lot of recourse for you when it starts to happen. The only advice that I could possibly give you is to save all of your receipts. Document. If you're in family court, you can't go to the judge and say, my ex is a narcissist. The judge is not going to want to hear that. They're going to think you're making it up and that you guys are just fighting. You can't do that. Document everything. Record conversations. Save text messages. Document everything. And also have faith that in the end, the truth will absolutely prevail.